Hi, welcome. My name is Anand, and this is the computer workplace. All the students of art and design can come in here, sit behind a computer and work on their projects. They can work with VR, they can model. We also have the ability to scan in 3D if people don't like to model with programs, then the VR option is very good. Besides, we also have large format printers. This is mostly used by students of graphic design. We have 3 places in the academy where they can print. It's in the silkscreen department, photography, and over here. This is mainly used for typography or vector-based artwork. And we also lend out the 360 camera. Besides that, we also have VR. We have 3 of these VR goggles in-house, so we lend them out. You can take them home for 2 weeks and work on your projects. This computer workplace is open from 9 in the morning till 9 in the evening, and there's always someone around to help you with your projects or to answer your questions. Hope to see you soon. Bye-bye.